Hi everyone, Chrissy Baker here with Keller Williams Realty. A lot has changed in the last few months, hasn't it? Some things have changed for me as well. If you came into my neighborhood on the weekend, you would see my open house signs all over the place, and then you would follow them to the house and preview the house in person. Well, with growing concerns over catching COVID-19, there just aren't as many open houses as there used to be, and rightfully so. So I'm taking things up a notch and I'm bringing this open house to you. Tomorrow, June 30th, which is Tuesday at 7 p.m., I'll be hosting my very first virtual open house on Facebook Live right here on my business page, Chrissy Baker Realtor Keller Williams. It'll be for a brand new build here in Tahitian Village at 139 Waikakaaua. It's beautiful, it's completely decked out with some gorgeous finishes and very nicely done. The best part about it is that you don't even need to know how to get there. You don't need to follow my signs. All you have to do is grab your laptop or your mobile device and plop down on your couch with your snack and hop on my business Facebook page. Once again, it's at 7 p.m. Tuesday, June 30th. And you can ask me questions in real time by just typing the questions in the comment box. And once again, the address is 139 Waikakaaua. And I'll practice that a little bit so that maybe tomorrow it'll sound a little bit better. But you don't need to bring your mask, no gloves, hand sanitizer, shoe covers, none of that stuff. Just you in the comfort of your home and me on Facebook Live. 7 p.m. tomorrow. I will see you then.